having yogurt?
Andre and Clayton.
Andre and Clayton? And who is Clayton?
I am.
And is Clayton the pitcher or the batter?
Pitcher.
And is Andre the...
Batter.
He's the batter.
They both were playing baseball.
What team do they play for?
I don't know.
Yes, they do. Yes, you do.
The Dodgers.
That's right.
Andre got a boo-boo.
He did. What did he hurt?
Tummy. A pitcher for the wall and it hit him.
And it hit him?
Why?
Does that happen in baseball?
Why? Or maybe he tried.
Maybe he slid?
And then it banged him. And then went, and then he went kerplop.
Kerplop?
Mr. Willie.
Did you tell Mommy who you are?
Who are you?
Playing Kershaw.
Who?
Playing Kershaw.
Kershaw?
And who am I?
Andre. Andre's sliding the base. I like it.